Okay, now it's time to talk about the if-else statement in the bash script. Now it is the same as programming language. So let's s.sh. So let's remove everything. Okay, now here the syntax is like this: if, then space, open squared brackets, make sure that there are two spaces. So there are space here and there are space here, then put the argument. So for example, if 1, then put the operator like dash equal, and then 2. Okay, so as you can see, there is a space here and there is a space here. All right, because other than that it will show us problem. Now then this is the syntax: the first argument true, else echo false. Then we will close it by using the fi statement. Okay, so it is like this: if 1 minus equal 2, or as a number, because as you can see this is used with numbers. For string we will use equal equal, or exclamation mark equal, or which means not equal, or here we can use the dash ne, okay, which means not equal. Okay, don't worry, I will provide a complete list with the common test command operators, no worries. Okay, now this example will show us obviously false because it is not equal. So let's run the s.sh. You can see that it will start showing us false. All right, now let's have a another simple example. Now here, before we enter anything, so here let's echo in double quotation, please enter a value, and then read value, okay, to this variable. Now if this variable or this value, this variable equal to, then echo true, else echo false. Okay, we can also true, but slash like this, or comma, the value is underscore value. Got me? The same thing here, to just to see what is the value. The value is, and or not underscore, I mean $sign, sorry about this, the $sign, and yeah, let's save. Okay, now let's run s.sh. Now you can see that, yeah, I made a typo, sorry, which is echo, not like this. So yeah, my bad. Yeah, s.sh. Now it will ask for please enter a value. I forget the e here, whatever. The value will be 2. So you can see true, yeah, the value is 2. Okay, now if I run it again, if I type 5 for example, it will give us false, the value is 5, which means it is not working. Okay, now this is the same thing, this is for numbers. Now for strings we will use please enter a value. Let's change this, actually let's fix it. Okay, I will not use dash equal, I will use equal equal, and then put a variable here. So let's name it apple for example, then the value is whatever, the value is whatever. Okay, so if this time run it, okay, please enter a value. If I type orange, you can see false, the value is orange. But if I type apple like this, yeah, the value is apple, which is true. This is for the string. The same thing for the string not equal. So instead of equal, just put it not equal, shift exclamation mark like that. As you can see, the bash terminal here on Kali Linux is very handy and sophisticated. It is becoming sophisticated. You can see that it converted that to something like not equal, so which is something very fancy. By the way, we can also use the if then whatever, if elif, so which is elif like that, and then again put then put whatever. By the way, you need to put the provider. So if for example value equal orange, let's make sure it is not case sensitive, because it is case sensitive. Make sure there is a space here, because otherwise it will show us error. Okay, make sure there is a space here, and actually I want to modify this to be equal, not equal. Okay, so if the value is apple, true, elif, so else and if together. If the value is orange also, let's print it is a true. By the way, the tab here is not needed, it's not required, but because it is just more readable actually and tidy, so it's better to have it here. So true, the value is $value, else the value is not either orange or apple. Okay, so let's save that. Let's run s.sh. The orange, you can see true, it is orange. The apple, true, it is apple. For example, grape, false, the value is grape, which is as we expected. Now again, this is just a simple example. We can write more sophisticated examples and use cases, but for now this is the essentials. Don't worry, we will write sophisticated bash scripts moving forward with this course.